Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this look for you guys. I wanted to do something with a little bit of a kind of red and kind of a little bit smoky but still very wearable. So this is the look that I came up with and I had a lot of fun doing it. I didn't add any false lashes. I like the way that it looked without any false lashes, but you can always pop some lashes on and make it a little bit more dramatic. And I really like the way this look turned out. I hope you guys like it as well. And if you want to see how I created this look, go ahead and stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And for those of you that subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. So if you want to see how I created this look, go ahead and stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so to start off this look, I'm going to be applying some base to my eyelids, and I'm going to be using this soft ochre paint pot from MAC. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my lids just to serve as the base for the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna take a black, actually no, this is a dark brown this is a dark brown eyeliner. This one is from John to Blue, and this one is in the shade dark brown. I'm just gonna take a dark pencil. You can take black, but I'm just gonna take this dark brown one, and I'm just gonna start applying this to my lash line. And you don't have to be so neat about it, you just have to kind of apply it to the lash line. Okay, and I'm just kind of smoothing everything out and blending it, and I'm just gonna intensify it. I'm just gonna intensify it as I go. So I'm just gonna kind of tug on my lid. I'm going to take the pencil and I'm going to bring it up a little bit into the crease. I'm just going to tug on my lid a little bit and then just kind of bring it up into the crease. Just a tiny bit. Just like that. And I'm going to go back in with that brush and just kind of brush it, feather it in, just to blend it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be taking this one from Melt Cosmetics. This is Dark Matter, and it's a really nice black eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the same brush that I was using. It's just a nice angled brush, any brush that you have that's nice and soft and angled. It's not too soft, but still has some, it's nice and firm but soft at the same time. That doesn't make any sense, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take the eyeshadow, and again, I'm just going to apply that to the lash line. Now I'm going to take a small brush like this. This is just a nice like crease brush. Okay, so just bring the dark eyeshadow slightly into the crease where we applied the eyeliner first. I'm gonna take that same brush that I was using right now, and I want to take like a red eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be taking this one from the Mickey palette from Dose of Colors, and I'm taking M is for Mischief, which is this one right here. And I'm going to smoke this onto the lash line. So kind of right where that black is, but trying to keep it a little bit higher. I'm actually gonna take a smaller brush. Okay, so I'm gonna take this tiny one. This one's from Makeup Geek. This one is the pencil brush, and it has a nice little tip, a really fine tip. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one to apply the eyeshadow so I keep it precisely where I want it. So I'm just gonna apply it right where that black eyeliner is, but just above it. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with that other brush and I'm gonna start smoking this and bringing it into the crease. And now I need a bigger brush. This one is also from Makeup Geek. This is a soft dome brush. And I'm gonna use this just to blend out that crease color. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with the black and using the flat angled brush, I'm just applying more as close to the lash. You know, I do want to bring a little bit of that darkness all the way up here, so I'm gonna mix a little bit of that red and a little bit of the black, and I'm gonna apply that right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing that I did. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on this side. Now I want to take a light color, so I'm just gonna be taking this setting powder. It's just a really light color, and I'm kind of applying it right here. I just want to brighten this area up a little bit and just blend it outwards. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some foundation, and I'll be right back so we can finish this look. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line. Now that I'm done doing my face, I'm gonna take the small pencil brush that I was using, and I'm gonna go into the red eyeshadow. I'm gonna smoke the bottom lash line using that eyeshadow. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the black eyeshadow and I'm gonna take the flat brush and I'm just barely gonna tap a little bit to where my lashes are. Okay, now I'm gonna take a nude eyeliner and I'm gonna apply this to the waterline. So now for the lips, I'm just gonna pick out the color that I want to do for my lips, and I really don't know what color I want to do. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take Strip Down from MAC, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start lining my lips. Okay, so I think for the lip color, I'm going to be going in with this one from Morphe. This is the lipstick in the shade Honey. And it looks like this. It's like a nice nude with a little bit of a pink undertone. So let's see how it looks. Okay, I'm going to go over it with this lip gloss from Dominique Cosmetics. This one is Peach Tea. Okay, you guys, so this pretty much completes the look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys found it helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.